how to deposit money in Bitget. First, open up the Bitget app or website and sign into your account. Then once you have done that, you want to go to the wallet section right here and click on deposit. Now, here you can choose to deposit crypto or to deposit fiat. So first, if you want to deposit crypto, select the coin you would like to deposit. So for example, USDT, and choose a network. So make sure that both the wallet that you are sending the crypto from and your Bitget wallet right here, choose the same coin and network. So for example, USDT and ERC20. Then here you will see your deposit address and you can copy this and paste it in on the other exchange or wallet, and then you can just deposit the crypto into your account and it will show up right here. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.